This is Blaine Cluten for Cluten Law, talking briefly today about spousal support. Now, this is a long subject matter in general, but I'm trying to keep it broad and brief. There's a lot of different variables that can affect the outcomes in these cases, but briefly. Looking at an award of spousal support, there's specific things that we're often looking at, such as retirement funds, life insurance, a party's health, and automatic termination provisions. There's some other topics that we frequently also consider, including prenuptial waivers of spousal support, non-modifiable spousal support, and the effects of bankruptcy. The amount and duration of spousal support awarded must be just and equitable. And this comes from the statute. And broadly, Oregon recognizes three categories of spousal support. And the court may award none, one, two, or all three of these categories. The first is transitional, the second compensatory, the third is maintenance. There's no legislative indication about the weight that should be given to individual factors listed. There's a case that talks specifically about the most significant consideration being, quote unquote, whether the earning availability of a spouse asking for support can provide a standard of living not overly disproportionate to what he or she enjoyed during their marriage, end quote. The just and equitable standard has been called the quote-unquote lodestar of the court's charge, and lodestar you can look up means the guiding light or guiding principle. The Oregon Supreme Court has stressed that the just and equitable standard is expressed in a threefold statutory scheme. The standard is utilized by the court in awarding any one category of spousal support, including compensatory support. 2, the standard is utilized in awarding the total spousal support award, comprising the sum of any combination of the three categories. And 3, the standard is used a final time to ensure that an award of support in one category does not negate entirely a support award under other categories, which serve a different function. Turning briefly to those three different types, transitional support is designed to enable one party to adjust to re-entry into the job market and to become self-sufficient. Compensatory support provides compensation to a spouse who has made a significant contribution, financial or otherwise, to the education, training, or career of the other spouse. Spousal maintenance support has been described to presuppose a marriage with a wide disparity of earning capacity and the need for an ongoing supplement to one spouse from the other that would be for a specified or indefinite period of time. The scheme does not constrain a court to award one type, as I mentioned earlier, and each of the three categories of spousal support serves a different function. Thus, the amount of support awarded under each category of spousal support is relevant and should be considered in determining the overall amount of spousal support that is just and equitable. This is Blaine Cluten for Cluten Law. If you have more questions about what spousal support award may be awarded in your particular case, the additional factors that are considered for your specific factual situation, please contact an attorney or feel free to set up a consultation with our office. Thank you.